If you want to change volume on Samsung Galaxy S26, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. You can, for example, open Settings, then over here search for Sounds and Vibration, and then in here we can find the volume option. You can adjust the volume for the ringtone, for media, for notifications in here, for the system volume as well. You can also adjust the loudness for the AI assistant and for alarm. Besides that, you can also open the control center or quick settings, and then in here we have this slider for media and only for media. Unfortunately, we cannot change other options, the loudness for other stuff in here, just for the media. Also, you can use volume up and volume down, so if you press volume up or volume down, you can adjust the loudness for media. But in this case, at the top of this bar, we have these three dots. If you tap on them, then you should be able to open this section where you can adjust the loudness for the system, notifications, AI assistant, ringtone, and media. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.